Okay, all right, so now at this point the students have, they picked their topic, they picked their guiding questions, you've talked about, proper search engines and URLs. Now an important thing to consider when we're doing research projects or when we're, having to do any sort of research is that it's important to avoid plagiarism and citing our sources. So the connection: writers put information in their own words, emphasis on own. And this is just a cute little cartoon. What do you mean all my facts are wrong? I copied everything straight off the internet. And you can see that the boy has an F on his paper and the teacher has a very solemn expression. He's clearly upset. But so the point of this animation here is just to kind of let the students know that copying things from the internet is not going to be acceptable. They need to put things into their own words and give credit to the author of the wherever they got their text from. So today we're going to talk about how it's illegal to copy what someone else says without citing the source. So I would need to go back and ask the students, and what does it mean again when it's illegal? That's a pretty powerful word, but it is true. But like I said, it's a powerful word. So I would need to talk to the students about how, you could get in trouble. Now in school, their consequences might be different out in like the real world, but in school there's still, it's just unacceptable. You cannot be copying things word from word. And then what does citing mean? Ask them if they know what it means to cite something. And cite means to refer to. So, you're referring to where you got the information from. You need to give credit where the credit's due, so to speak. Down here for the active involvement, if you have access, there's a wonderful Discovery Education video just titled Plagiarism, and it's a pretty short video. And after the video, kind of have the students maybe jot down on a Post-it, just so that they can remember, what does it mean to plagiarize? How can we avoid plagiarism? Those two things. If you're gonna copy straight from the text, you put it in quotations and you cite the source. And to avoid having to do that, you put it in your own words. Like I said, this would be maybe a good time to stop and jot so they can reflect on what they had seen in that video. Give them a few minutes and then move on to the linking part and reminding them you cite your sources. Citing again means to refer to where you got the information from. And this is just cute, to give credit where the credit's due. Also, if they look over there, the credible Hulk, you can see the word cred, incredible there, and he's telling them to always cite his sources. So, hopefully that helps avoid any sort of plagiarism problems, and it helps them cite their sources. Now, I would say it's teacher preference on how the student cites their sources. If the teacher is just comfortable with them titling where they got the information from, if it's a textbook, or telling what the author is of that text. Or if it's a website, just providing what website they got it from, the title of the website. Or, if it's like a middle school or later on in life, explain to them that there's different formats for citing, but I think at the elementary level it should be okay, just the examples that I had given. So hopefully this helps, and good luck!